In Environment Online, an obligation refers to any submission you make to the department under the requirements of your instruments. It's your responsibility to be aware of the conditions of all your instruments. Before you get started, ensure your organization is registered in Environment Online and that you are authorized to manage instruments on the portal. Once you've logged into Environment Online, there are 3 simple ways to manage your obligations. The first option is by going directly to the Obligations tab from the My Environment main page. Here, you can see full list of your obligations, including those awaiting for your action, those you have already submitted across all your instruments, or any that are overdue. The second option is by going to the Instruments tab. Select the instrument you'd like to manage and you'll be taken to the Instrument page. You'll then see related information to the instrument before you get to the Obligations tab when you scroll down the page. If an obligation doesn't have a due date, this means the obligation is to be submitted once the works or conditional requirements have been completed. Submission timeframe of these obligations will be indicated on your instrument. If you have a compliance report due, simply click on the obligation and you'll be taken straight to the submission page for a new compliance plan or report. Since the information has been pre-filled, you only need to provide extra details that can support your submission. You can include additional obligations here by typing the obligation number or simply search through the list. You can also submit a compliance report directly from the Quick Access button on My Environment main page. This option lets you to only do a submission, while the previous options enable you to view and manage all obligations. This option will then allow you to link the obligation to your submission at the start of the process. Proceed to the compliance report submission process as guided by the portal. If a fee is due instead, click on the item called Annual Fees under the obligation list from the instrument page. You'll be directed to an online submission page to submit a new fee application. Proceed with filling in the information relevant to your fee application, as guided by the portal. Read the instructions carefully and make sure you have all the background information ready. If you changed your mind about starting the new fee application process, simply click Save and Exit button at the top to take you back to your dashboard. When you're ready to revisit the fee application later, go to the Tasks bar on My Environment main page and select the draft application you want to manage. You'll have the option to either edit the application, where you will be taken to where you left the application process previously, or delete it if no longer required, which is only applicable to the one that has not been submitted. We hope this video has helped you confidently manage your instrument obligations. For more information and guidance, visit Environment Online at environmentonline.dwer.wa.gov.au.